Hey guys, Chris at Systainer Systems. Let's talk Systainer customization. One of the great things about Systainers is that you can get them in different colors. So of course, most people know the light gray or the dark gray, but we have white, light gray, anthracite, black, signal blue, sky blue, dark blue, light green, dark green, yellow, orange, and red. One reason you might want to customize these is so that on the job site you can quickly identify what category of tools is in the box. So for plumbing fittings, you might have a light blue label, and to switch these out, it's really quite simple. The latch just pops right off. Put a yellow latch on there. Very easy to do. Same with the handle. I've got my two wedges here. Place them inside. Handle pops off. And now I can put a different color on it. Very, very simple. The other thing that I can do is I can label the front fields here. These are standard credit card size label fields. So you can have plastic printed cards like this. They slide in the slot. Or another good option is you can get a label maker like this that prints the right size labels, connects to your phone, and you can print labels on the fly very quickly, very efficiently. A couple of examples. I've got a rotary laser here in this box. It's a DeWalt, so for me, the black and the yellow made sense. I've got it labeled. Another example here, a little bit more sophisticated. I've got the labels on the front, white handle. Again, quick, easy to identify. So in a nutshell, that's the customization process.